Hello guys and welcome to today's trade market recap. This video is going to be without a webcam because I'm not in my home currently. I'm outside and I have my laptop on me, so I said why wouldn't I do the video now. So yeah, this is the market recap. I didn't took any trades today due to the bad market conditions and due to the high impact news that we have today. We also have Jerome Powell speaking out today at 3 p.m. and that was caused the market to be such a bad price action as this price action. So before we head on to the video and tell you about my daily bias, before I was looking at the market and what was my key levels for the day, make sure you guys like the video and subscribe because we're going to reach 260 legends so soon. And believe me or not guys, you are so capable of doing or reaching that number before the end of June, and I really appreciate every single one of you guys who clicked on that subscribe button. So after you did subscribe and like, now let's get straight into the video. So let's start with GJ. The first thing, I wanted the hourly time frame. I set up my session window, and with that, if we go into the daily time frame to identify my trading bias for the day, I was pretty bullish because we're still maintaining the bullish order flow. It's right that we are doing a small retest, but we still have buy side liquidity to the upside. With that, I went to the 4-hour to be more specific. So on the 4-hour, we were having the retracement. We retraced back into this 4-hour fair value gap, and we did a sweep of liquidity on London session. By that time, I couldn't take a trade because I'm at work. So, glad I didn't took any trades because it would even hit my TP or my drawn liquidity for me. So London session opened, we came down, swept out these lows, we continued to move to the upside, but then we did not took out the buy side liquidity. We kept consolidating for a lot of time. Then I wanted to see is price taking out these lows, all of those lows, and then potentially make a good setup with the breaker structure, continuation conferences, and then I'll be targeting these highs as a buy side liquidity. So I didn't like any type of fucking price action is this. Like, what the fuck is this thing, bro? I'm not anticipating in this fucking shit like this. Obviously I kept waiting, and then it was sorry guys, it was out of session. Sorry guys, I did that because I'm lacking sleep because I didn't sleep any hours. Yeah, I'm sleeping like almost 6 hours a day every day, and I'm going to work at 6 a.m. so I'm not gonna be complaining, but yeah, that's the reason why. So yeah, that's it. That's why I didn't took any trades on GJ. Let's move on to USD GPY now. If we go into the daily time frame, also the same exact thing. I had a bullish bias because we're still maintaining the bullish order flow, and we still did not take out these buy side liquidity. Okay. If we go into the 4-hour time frame, we are also doing a retracement, so I waited for price to take out any key level because we had these hourly highs marked out as London session highs. We have also these hourly highs marked out as the Asian session highs, and we have these sell side liquidity, and we also have these London session lows. So what I wanted to see, this USD GPY, I wasn't even looking to take the trade, but I was looking at the market and try to analyze and figure out where the fuck it's going to go. I didn't like the fact that I did not like the fact that we are trading in almost like bearish order flow and bearish trend because we broke the structure right here. So I did not like the idea of taking a long. It's going to be a lot heavy risk than it should be. Yeah, I kept waiting, not looking to take any trades because there is no setup forming and the trade is already against my bias. The trend is moving against my bias, and yeah, I kept looking. There was no setup forming, and no key level got hit. If we go now into GBP CHF, which gave me a setup but not in my specific session that I trade, it happened already on London session. So at the start of London session, we continued to move to the upside, took out these highs, and we took out the Asian session highs. And then if we go into the 15-minute time frame, you could see that we did ended up invalidating this 15-minute break of structure, giving us the confirmation that we shifted the structure to the downside. And then if we go into the 5-minute time frame to look for continuation confluences, you guys see that after we did the break of the structure to the downside, we created this fair value gap. And let's say I did not like this one because on the 15-minute we still did not invalidate the 15-minute fair value gap yet. But then we did retrace back into equilibrium zone. If we go from this to this, we did retrace back into equilibrium. I kept waiting for a breakout structure. Boom, on the 5-minute we did break the structure to the downside. Boom, enter the trade, or even wait for a 1-minute retracement to get a better entry. So let's say you entered after the 5-minute breakout structure, then it's going to be like this. My take profit will be at these lows, these equal lows. My stop loss will be above the liquidity sweep. Easy 1 2 3 risk to reward, A+ setup, but it happened already on London session, so I will not be able to take this trade because I already work during London session. I'll only be looking for trades on New York session. So yeah, that's it for today's video, man. It's a really short video. I hope you guys benefit from this video. Make sure you guys like the video, subscribe, and I'll comment something. I'll reply within an hour. And yeah, that's it for today's video, man. I'll catch you guys up in the next video. Peace out, boys.